Daniel from Brisbane faced every husband's nightmare when his computer would not boot up. He had told his wife he was making backups of their family photos and files, but he never got around to it. The SSD inside had suddenly failed, making years of family photos and videos inaccessible. It had failed without warning, and Daniel hadn't done anything to damage it. Now, we're trying to get him out of the doghouse and save his marriage. His wife is at home, anxiously waiting to see if their lost files can be saved, and he is copping the blame. Desperate to recover these memories, he brought his failing SSD to Payam Data Recovery. Hey, it's Mike back at Payam Data Recovery's lab, where I watched one of their technicians work on this SanDisk SSD Plus that had stopped working. The technician began by identifying that it used a silicon motion controller, a crucial detail as he explained that this particular model had a replaceable controller, unlike many newer SSDs where the controller and memory chips are permanently bound together with matching serial numbers. He first inspected the circuit board for visible electrical damage, but finding none, moved to more advanced diagnostics. Using PC3000, professional grade data recovery equipment, the technician attempted to power up the SSD. That's when the real issue revealed itself. An error appeared on screen indicating a controller failure. Now comes the delicate part. He sourced an identical working donor drive with matching specifications, then performed a precise controller swap, transferring the working controller from the donor onto Daniel's failed SSD. It came back to life with all precious files now fully accessible and ready for cloning. This case demonstrates why professional diagnostic tools like PC3000 are important, but experience to accurately pinpoint the problem is also vital. Physically removing a controller chip and replacing it by hand is an extremely highly skilled job that only a few companies in the world can perform. Most local data recovery companies outsource these complex cases to facilities in China or the USA, charging thousands of dollars more than Payam Data Recovery, and turning what could be a days-long process into one that takes weeks. Daniel's family memories were recovered in days, not weeks, at a fraction of what other companies would have charged. Thanks for watching.